Welcome back to Behind the Budget. This is Niche here. I'm here to show you how I do my monthly setup for the month of July. Also, I will be featuring Kate. You guys can see here. I actually bought these from Etsy. Pretty fast shipping. This will actually be my first time using stickers from here. I usually just kind of bounce around from different shops just to show my support. So these are the stickers of my choice for this month. All right, so I purchased the calendar view there. I also purchased the monthly budget setup, as well as some bill due stickers. Okay, great, because I wasn't sure if I had purchased those or not. And also, you guys know I do a paycheck to paycheck budget, so she sent those as well. Excuse me. And then I also have been doing a transaction log, like towards the last couple of sheets of the month, just to keep track of what I did not include within my budget, and also just to track how much I'm spending. And these are just the paycheck budget stickers for these. Okay, and see, that goes there. And then these are cute. So these are just some little extras that she sent in. Just want you guys to take a look at that. She does say you can get 15% off of my next order, so that's great. And then she also included a card as well. There's nothing on the back, but I thought that was really cute. So these right here, I'm just gonna put over July, and I'm sorry you guys if they don't look even. Voila, that took forever. I usually don't get the date dots, but I like these because they're larger, but the smaller ones, I usually don't get those, but they look cute. I do like how they look. It just brings everything together. Okay, so next up, just to kind of take it, actually, let's just go back for a second. I haven't really finished completing my goals and stuff for July. I actually have an accountability partner that I'm gonna go over some things with as well. So I'll be filling those in there. But over here, I do have like a habit tracker for meditating, yoga, and journaling. I did that last month, and it was really helpful just to see, you know, how I'm spending my time. For some of my monthly goals, I do, of course, you know, want to stay within budget. Also find another stream of income. If not, you know, just increase my income in general. I want to have 10 no spend days. And I also want to lower my grocery budget for the month and actually stay within that budget. I think next I'm just gonna do like some random no spend days, actually, if I can find them. All right, so these are some no spend stickers that I just had left over from the last shop I went to. Let me just show you. Goddess Planning Shop. I really like these, so I do want to do 10 no spend days, so I'm just gonna randomly select them. All right, and then I have some bills that are due. All right, so I actually went ahead and filled out all of these off camera just to save some time. So let's go ahead and get started into the monthly view. The month budget. So this is the sheet that I'll be using here. there we go. And then here, I'm just gonna add in the July 2020. I think that's cute. All right, so moving right along, let's go ahead and do the monthly budget. So, okay. So now that we have those filled out, I did just want to go ahead and do that offline again to save some time. Plus, I'm running out of, my battery's kind of low. But anyway, I'm going to go through and list what my budget is for those expenses. So just hang tight. All right, so when we come down to the totals here, once we add these up, the total for this one would be $2014. As far as fixed expenses go, this will be $258. All right. Shoot. That would be $215 with a deposit of $188 from my savings. That will equal $2014. I'm sorry, I forgot to add that in there. That's not right. Let me find my whiteout. This is gonna look, it might not look that bad. Okay, so that will be $2202 there plus the $258. And when we come down here, I'm gonna add in my total budget. That should be $2460. So giving me a zero base budget. But that's what I have created here for my monthly budget. Sorry, it was a little hectic there, but I wanted to make sure I got everything and everything was perfect. So hope to see you guys back on my next video. Bye.